Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to transfer money from Bank of America to Navy Federal. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So transferring to Navy Federal in Bank of America is pretty simple. Just need to follow the following steps and just enter the details from Navy Federal. So first thing you need to do here is you need to open up the mobile application, and from then you need to log in. So utilize your fingerprint for a secure login via the mobile app. Now within the app, navigate to the pay and transfer section and choose the option for transferring funds between your accounts. Now select the account from which you want to transfer funds and identify the destination account. Now enter the precise amount you intend to transfer and indicate the date on which you want the transaction to occur. Then proceed by tapping continue. Now take a moment to review and provide the details and ensure accuracy. Now tap make transfer to execute the transaction seamlessly. And from then, you should be good. Now you've successfully completed the transaction. Your funds are now securely transferred within your selected accounts through the mobile app. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.